In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon account on mobile. We'll go from opening your browser to confirming your new account with clear tips along the way so nothing slows you down. All you need is your phone, a reliable internet connection, and access to the email you want to use. Start by opening your mobile web browser like Chrome or Safari. In the address bar, type amazon.com and go to the site. If you're redirected to a regional version, that's normal. Just continue on the page you see. When the homepage loads, look for the sign in option at the top right. On some phones, it might appear as a person icon or within a menu, but it will still say sign in. Tap that to move to the sign in screen. On the sign in page, choose Create Account. You'll see options. Select the one for a personal Amazon account. This is the standard choice most people need. Next, enter your personal details. Type your first name and last name exactly as you want them to appear in your account. Then enter your email address. Double check for typos. An accurate email is essential because Amazon will use it to send a verification code and important account information. Use an email you control and plan to keep long term. Create a secure password for your account. Aim for at least 12 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password you use elsewhere. When you're satisfied, tap Verify Email to proceed. Keeping your password in a trusted password manager is a smart move. Amazon will send a verification code to the email you just entered. Open your email app, find the message from Amazon, copy the code, return to your browser, paste it into the verification field, and tap Create Your Amazon Account. If the code has expired or you don't see it, look in your spam or junk folder or request a new code. Never share verification codes with anyone. After your account is created, you may be prompted to set up a passkey. This allows you to sign in using Face ID or your phone's fingerprint or screen lock, which is convenient and secure. Tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions if you want to enable it now. You can always set it up later in your account settings. That's it. Your Amazon account is now ready to use. You'll be signed in and can start browsing, adding items to your cart, or personalizing your settings. Consider bookmarking the site for quick access and remember to sign out on shared devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Amazon tips and tutorials.